So guys, to get the Windows 7 ISO file, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description. You want to scroll down, and then you want to expand the ISO image, and then choose which version you want. I want to begin Windows 7 Pro. Click on it, which will then start downloading. By the way, this may take a few hours. I'm sure you guys already have VirutalBox installed, but if you don't, I'm going to leave a link to this down below in the description as well. You just want to download and install VirutalBox to your computer. Now once you're in VirutalBox, you want to click on New, and then you want to choose the name of your virtual machine. I'm just going to call it Windows 7 Tutorial. And now you want to select the folder where you're going to have your virtual machine stored. I'm just going to make a new folder, call it Windows 7 Tutorial. Select the folder, click on Select Folder, and now you want to add in your ISO image that you downloaded. Now that we have that, you're going to click on Skip Unattended Installation, and then we're going to click on Next, and you're going to select how much RAM and cores you want to give it. It's only Windows 7, so you probably give it like 4 GB of RAM, should be enough. Probably even less than that. And the cores, you could do maybe like 2, but I'm just going to go 4. And I click on Next. And you'll choose how much storage that you want to give. I'm just going to leave it as a default. Click on Next, and then click on Finish. And now we're going to click on Start. And then from here, it's just like the regular setup. If it looks like this and it's small and you want to change it, you can click on View, and then click on Scaled Mode. Then you could make it full screen like this. Click on Next, and then click on Install. And then you could just install it.